Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Here's some recent SK finds that I found at a couple of estate sales in the past month. So let's see what we got. Go through them one at a time. Did make a little video just of this set. It was a vintage SK. There are some non-SKs here. This is a little Blackhawk 1/4" drive ratchet. The spinner handle extension is a Mac. And the rest of this is SK. It's got an extension, breaker bar with the T handle, and the rest are vintage SK sockets. So that's what I got there. So then I got this SK 1-inch. That's a 6-point wrench. Kind of unusual. Part number 88632. Got this ball peen hammer. SK. Haven't seen one of those before. Looks like a nice little hammer. Got this steel case. It does have a spinner handle and one socket in it. I believe this is for a 1/4" drive set. Although this is for a 1/4" drive. This I'm not sure if that's not a 3/8 and somebody did some switcheroo on it, but nonetheless it is SK. And then the best part I found this SK Super Krome 8-piece box wrench set. I think it goes, let's see, it's a 3/8 up to 1 inch. Haven't seen that set before. Don't really know a lot about it. Looks pretty nice. And then I also got this 3-piece stubby 6-point. And so that's what we got here. I believe altogether here I spent about $84. So if you think I got a deal, let me know. Until the next one, guys, you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.